What is up, guys? Welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to tackle these side skirt splitters because I just want to get them done so they look wicked on the car, and I've still got all that material left over. So as I can see straight away by looking at the car, with the material sitting right next to the car, it is a lot longer than the side skirts, which is awesome. So we're going to have a lot of leftover material if we want to make something else in the future. So pretty much first off, all I'm going to do is I'm just going to lay it down next to the car, measure how long it needs to be, and also tickets for Summer Nats Burnout Masters event at Sydney Dragway, the qualifying event for Summer Nats 34. The tickets have gone on sale live today. If you haven't gotten yours today, hurry up and get them because they're going to sell out. I already know this. This event's going to be crazy. It's the first one back since all the coronavirus stuff. All the guys are amped to get out there on the pad, and we're all amped to freaking see it. So I've got my tickets. Make sure you got yours. Jump on the website right now and grab them. If not, you can get them, just go on the Summer Nats page or the Burnout Masters page on Facebook. You'll be able to find them there. But I am hella keen, cannot wait. I am contemplating and taking the wagon, so if you want to see the wagon in person, you can jump down to Sydney Dragway on July 18th, which is also my birthday. So it's going to be a pretty good birthday to spend it doing skids for the first time in months, in absolute months. I think the last burnout event I went to was in March, maybe, and I'm itching. I cannot wait to see skids. Alrighty, and then also, Flex of the Month stickers. They are, all the vinyl should be arriving today, and the next batch of it tomorrow. We should be able to get them out any day now to you guys, so you guys don't have to keep waiting. Again, I apologize. Alrighty, let's get into this. So I've laid it down next to the car. You can see where it comes out too far, pretty much. So I'm literally just using an offcut, straight edge. Now I'll be able to cut straight down that line. And I was thinking of doing maybe something contoured to follow the line of this, but I'm thinking of just having it stick out straight the whole way, literally only a tiny bit, just real subtle. Otherwise, when you get in and out of the car, a lot of people sit their ankles and heels against the side skirts. So it's just gonna ask for trouble if it's sticking out 10 feet. This one's just gonna be a little bit more subtle, but I dig that look. So now that we've done that, I'm literally just gonna measure out 2 long strips down the lengthwise and I'll start cutting it. Alright, so I found this random roll, I think it's from the vinyl wrap that I had for the front end, but I just held it up what I think is a straight line. It actually does look pretty straight. Now I have to attempt to cut a straight line, so we'll see how that goes. You guys don't, I won't show you the cutting, it's straightforward, grinder, straight across the line, and I hope I don't stuff it up. Yeah, let's give it a go. Okay, so I've cut it out now, peeled off the black. Now that's it just sitting on the ground kind of thing, but maybe, because I didn't notice, now that I got a straight edge against it, you can see there's a kind of a bit of a curve. Maybe I might, once it's on the car, round the edges in a little bit, just so that it fits, or follow this edge. I don't know, I can play with it once it's on, but that looks pretty good. And I'll probably have it more so it's like that. Really subtle. Yeah, it definitely comes back in here. So I'll definitely trim that once it's on there, but real subtle, real small. I'll probably round the edge off here so that when it comes in, it just kind of fades away. But that looks wicked. Once that's trimmed in a bit too, it'll really go well with that front splitter. But already, that's where I'm gonna leave it for today because all that vinyl just showed up. So I'm gonna start cutting out your stickers so that we can send them off tomorrow. So they're with you ASAP. All right, I'm going to go inside. I'm just gonna leave everything the way that it's sitting right now. We're gonna go start making some stickers for you. All right, so I've been in the sticker room and we've got 5 rolls to go. We'll smash all these out now. Get them out to you as soon as possible. Man, I should have ordered an extra roll so I could just make it, keep it to make stickers for myself or something. But because this material is freaking wicked. I'm gonna chuck this in the machine now and we'll get underway. Yo. Okay, so I've got my design. This program that I use is it's called Silhouette Studio. So it's pretty much just a basic program that came with my cutting machine. I've now got the vinyl loaded. You have to spend some time making sure it's perfectly straight, otherwise it'll run off and ruin the cut. Now you go over to send. Good thing about this machine is it connects via Bluetooth, which is wicked. Alrighty, we are good to go. 2 and 10, just hit send, and away we go. Now it's all done. So now we then use this button. So you push it all out. It's gonna roll up perfectly for me out here. Watch the sticker come to the end. Just run. Oh. There's 4 stickers ready to be weeded. Now I'll smash out the rest of these rolls, get all these done, and then we'll take them downstairs and I'll show you how we weed them. Okay, so I just cut one out just so that it's easier to show you. Once we have cut it out in the machine, we then have to go through and weed it ourselves. Weeding is a term that I only really learned when I started getting into stickers, and it is literally the task of pulling out the negative space of the sticker so that the end user has something to actually use. Now it is quite easy to do one sticker because you can just change the directions to suit whichever way you need. But when you're doing a big bulk run of them, it can be really difficult because you get this big long task, and when you're doing one you can smash it out in a couple seconds like that. So then you have the center sections. Boom, and there is a Flex of the Month sticker for June, all weeded and ready. Now, once you've weeded the sticker, that's when you get the transfer tape, which is this little fun stuff here. You cut it out to size and you stick it on. So I'll try and do that. So Indy actually showed me this way so you can get it on there nice and even. Place it on there. I don't think I have the squeegee up here with me. Obviously I'll trim the edges so that it doesn't look as ugly when you guys receive it, but that's pretty much a sticker done. Now one thing to note is sometimes when you receive them, you'll get the edges lifting up off the paper like that. That does not matter. Don't freak out over that. I used to majorly freak out over that, thinking it was a shitty sticker or something like that. Doesn't matter because the back is a wax paper. It doesn't naturally want to stick to it. But the main thing is it's sticking to the actual sticker, and it is sticking to it well. So I can guarantee you it won't ever cause an issue or anything, but yeah, don't ever freak out if you see the edges sticking up like that. It doesn't really matter, but yeah. All right, I think I might write something on this. Like, in the... It's kind of messy, but in the vlog. So now whoever gets this one, make sure you put it up on Instagram or something and tag me so that we can see who received this very one. Alrighty, so we're pretty much done with, we do it in like 2 sections of each roll. So I've got a lot more to go. And as you can imagine, especially with the weeding, it's not the fastest process, but I really want to get all these out to you as quick as freaking possible. So I'm probably going to end the vlog here because I really want to smash these out for you guys. So I might sacrifice the length of the vlog a little bit, but I really want to prioritize getting those out to you because those orders are like nearly 2 weeks old or something. So that's it for today's video. Make sure if you're new here and you do like the videos that we make, jump onto the channel, look through some of the other stuff that we make. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell so you get notification every time we upload a video. Also on Instagram, jump over there, follow the pages. We got it just here. And yeah, I'll catch you in Friday's video, which will be uploaded at 6 p.m, just like we upload Monday, Wednesday, Friday, every week, 6 p.m. All right, guys, catch you in the next one. Peace. I've been thugging, you bitching and bugging, there's nothing that we got in common. I've been out grinding and hustling, investing this paper, got tired of eating that ramen. All of my music be heat, I ain't missing a beat, I've been blessed with impeccable timing. Watch all them people who friendly, it turn into envy whenever they see that you shining. Okay, I'm